Hi guys, let's do some backtesting together. I'm going to backtest Asia Gold because I want to start being able to trade on my live account because I don't like prop firms, but that's what I want to do. So I'm going to start backtesting that manually. I think Trader came out with a new thing. Anyway, I've also got some music in the background, so if you guys have any requests for music you want to hear in the next backtesting session, let me know. But just have that on in the background to get me in the vibe. It keeps me in the flow state. I'm trying not to have it too loud. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to do the AI back testing, nor do I care too much, to be honest. We're just gonna kind of play around. I'm gonna do for this whole year. Gonna go from January to yesterday. We're gonna do it on like a $500 account. We're gonna be basically doing like the lowest amount. I have no strategy. I'm just gonna go off straight vibes. Okay. I have a few ways I'm thinking of trading it. I'm thinking of integrating some type of volume profile because obviously like the volume's pretty low on gold in Asia. So that's what I want to do. So let me check. What's the best time to trade gold in Asia session? So between 8 and 11. So we'll just try from 8 to 11. Kind of just want to do an hour, so we'll just see. We'll just see how it goes. We're just honestly going to vibe. I'm going to go anchored VWAP, fixed range volume profile. Won't use this. I'll use that one. Don't need this one. I'll use a trendline one. Are we going to use fibs? I guess we could. I just want to make it look really simple. Okay. Guys, you're like, if this works out, you guys are going to be like the early people that have been able to see me kind of build this strategy out. Because I'm literally going solo. Like, I've never done that before with strategy. But I'm going to go full solo. Okay, I know daily levels get respected pretty well on gold, so I'm going to look for that. We got the daily trend. I'm kind of going back to my ICC ways about how I used to trade. So we tapped this and we failed it, so we're coming back down to this support line here. We've got this support zone over here. And then we got this resistance over here. So if anything, we should be reacting. This is our zone that we're trading in. So if we were to do like an ICC, we'd be coming up indication, correction, continuation. We've hit this area here pretty nicely. Let's go down to the 4 hour because I know that 4 hours what I took my trades off when it came to ICC. But I'm also going to use a little bit of liquidity. And this is the newest indication we've made. And this is the zone we made it from. So how I'm going to do this is just sells below. I don't know if you guys can hear the music. I don't want to be yapping this whole time, so I got the music on in the background. And I want it to be like I'm not trying to, what's it called? I'm not trying to, Have I got Asia open already? I think I do. Yeah, I don't want to be yapping the whole time. I just kind of want to be like backtesting like I normally would. See what the volume. This is the 4-hour POC. But should I be dragging it? I don't really know how to use the POC. I'm just kind of using it with the limited knowledge I have. Alright, cool. So this would be like the 4-hour POC. Oh, there's a lot of lines. Okay, I think maybe we'll use trend lines for context, and I'll take that out. Two just broke under a daily support. We failed it, meaning we want to come down here, but we've got this support level as well. 4-hour POC next to this liquidity level. I don't know why. Phone on. Do not disturb because that was really loud. Okay, this is like a nice level for a reversal to continue with the downtrend. I don't know how to use this one. Oh, we hit POC here, delivered lower, then we failed to deliver lower than that. And now we're reacting off of the POC. But are we reacting off the POC? I actually don't know. Let's go from down here. Yeah, so we're basically reacting off of the POC. Go from up here. Maybe we'll use the VWAP. I got to start this motherfucking record over. I'm gonna just put on a bunch of indicators and let's see what I like. Alright. I don't like these. I don't like the ones that are at the bottom. I like to look at the one chart. I don't mind this one. With the VWAP and then... What is this? What's this one? It's so big. It looks ugly. That's my main problem. It looks ugly. Maybe on the lower time frame it'll look better. Ew, why does this look like that? Can we correct that, please? I can't even see my levels with that big thing on my screen. I don't know about that. I like to trade price action. We got the VWAP up here. I'm gonna try trade without this. I don't want this on my screen. We got the VWAP here. Yeah, I don't want these. I don't know what the Williams fractal is. Okay. We have switched structure, respecting this level of support here. Oh, VWAP is here. VWAP is down there. That's weird. Okay, so the high time frame one is up there, so maybe we can take a continuation off of this one if we respect the support zone. Let's see what it looks like. Whatever this is, I don't want to listen to it. Okay, we've got some bullish structure here. Let's see. So what is this? We got the 4-hour high here. We trend really nicely. Okay, we broke this level here. I think I'm just going to observe for a little bit. In this 3 minute. 5 minute order block. It's kind of fun building out your own strategy. See how to sweep while we tapped into an order block. We inverse this one. I'm just going to tape read these and just see how we go. Okay, well, we didn't get a rebalance respect. I'm just going to take notes here. We had a 5 minute order block tap, 1 minute internal sweep, 3 minute for value gap respect. Oh wait, did we by the time? Yeah, we did. Closed within. Edged 4-hour level. Sweep. And we're trending off of support zone tap. But we didn't get a rebalance respect. Oh, we also had the 1 minute inverse fair value gap. We didn't get a rebalance respect. Because what that tells me is like, obviously we didn't get the rebalance respect, so maybe if I were to take it, that's what I want to look for. That's literally all I'm going to do. I'm just going to take my notes there. Okay. Oh. Hello. Oh my gosh, I thought it was going to reset my thing for a second. I was like, oh. Alright, interesting. So we end up getting that sweep. Then we fail it. So maybe when we have a breaker structure, we get the sweep. Maybe that would have been a nice continuation, but then when we didn't get it, I could have entered in short here. And target this LRLR. Let's see if that plays. No. What if I were to take it to the next draw? If failure of previous. This is a 5-minute water block fail. 1 minute it was valley gap fail. 2 minutes of valley gap fail. Tail sweep fail. We've got displacement lower. Entry, rebalance, respect, target, next liquidity level. Starts. Okay, let's see. This is literally all we're doing. I've got a random mix on, guys, so don't judge my music. I'm not picking it. I don't think I could pick music and trade. That would be really distracting. Don't listen to this. I've got an ad. I'm muting that ad. Alright. So, wait. Okay, we failed this. We failed those two from the previous swing high. If we go swing high to swing low, we're hitting the VWAP now. And that doesn't tell me anything. Okay, maybe I just wait for that sweep then. I mean, you could say this whole move here is manipulation because we're just taking out levels here when we're really trending higher. Let's see what the standard deviations look like. If I even remember what they are. Where'd they go? I don't have a 2. Not super experienced with using those, but let's just see. Rejecting off of this rejection block here, tapped into this fair value gap, displaced higher. See what that does. Oh. And what was this based off of? Their POC fail. Let me just draw the POC so I know where I draw it from. Displacement higher. The value gap, respect. To standard. Do 2. I think that's how you. I actually don't know. I don't use them. I'm just obviously playing around. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let me be. Okay, well, we came off here, we put in equal highs after we took the draw. We took that draw and we immediately reversed though, so it's interesting. Could look to just take a continuation or a reversal, I'm not 100% sure. Buy is sitting here, I guess. That 1 minute. I mean, let's see what a long would look like off of that. Back to the equal highs. No. Okay. What if I did the reverse of that? Stop loss above here to this low. No. Oh my gosh, okay. So we had the POC tab respected. Entry on candle closure below low. TP equal high. Hit stop loss. Took the failure of that. The next low. Stop loss hit. That's interesting. Okay, interesting. So we came down, we reacted bullishly, we acted like we felt that, and then we had this, and then we closed here. Okay, so what if we did this? It's kind of somewhat a reversal sequence, but not really though. Already had the reaction off of the POC though, so I don't see why we would. I mean, watch us continue higher anyway. Oh. It's 29:30. What is the Asia kill zone? Okay, I've just been trying to recollect my thoughts, because I'm a bit confused on what to do. I'm just trying to figure it out, so it's okay. I really don't want to use this ugly thing. Is that the POC? What the hell is this? Let's see. Okay. Gosh, I don't like the look of it. But let's see. Okay, we did go static around that point. And then are we going to come up to the other side? We broke past it. It's not being respected. I don't understand. Okay. What's that? Oh, right, web prices. I thought there was a line underneath that. Okay. Alright, so we broke past it. We came retested it. Rebalance. Okay, I was looking for a bullish closure there, but that's okay. We move up to the 2-minute time frame. Okay, what if I was to enter in long here? So we've got 2 candles printed this time. To this draw. How does this happen? I didn't journal that one, it's okay. I feel like I just need to get my bearings somewhere. Okay, maybe I gotta wait for that breakout. Do I gotta wait for the retrace of that? I don't understand why it went ballistic here. Alright, I'm gonna need to go to the next day because I'm confused. I need to simplify my charts. Okay, this is a Monday. I'm gonna just not pay attention to news right now. I don't like that big mega thing on my chart, I'm not gonna lie. I don't mind the VWAP. Okay, we've got bearish structure. So this is where I think price is gonna go. I want to see price be respected of this draw right here. So the resistances. I'm looking for sells here. We're just gonna go pure price action. Sells below. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna make this a center. We're hitting the POC now. So I'd want to see BOS point of interest. So if we break structure here, that's where I'd want to see us go. And then okay. I really want something that's more going to tell me what the volume is, but
realizing you're paying your landlord over $40,000 a year. Yeah.
I would really just like this to be way smaller. See, I don't mind it like that. You're getting rid of that because it's ugly.
How good's that? Big W.
Indicators. Create an age session. Open. Oh my god. The hell is this? I need to turn this off. Okay. EMA 200. See, finally I can actually see now. Okay, EMA, we need the 200. I don't know what the smoothing thing is, but we've got the EMA there. I'm gonna make the VWAP purple, because I remember when I was learning VWAP, it was purple. For whatever reason. So we've got the EMA there. Fib tool. Okay, we'll see how this works. Because we've got the view. And we've got the POC here. Okay. So I want to see rejection lower here and to enter into something down here. We don't want to see this resistance zone be broken, but the volume weighted average price is there. I'm not so aligned, so I've got to figure out what I'm doing. This is the range we're within. So we're in this range and this range, and okay. Yeah, I want to see price develop on the 2 minute. Got buys here. Wait a minute. All the way up here. Okay, 6 p.m. Okay, got it right. I want to know what the Maybe the values don't matter, maybe it's just the volume node. We hit the VWAP. Pop that open. So it's a continuation. We got internal draws higher. What was I charting on? Because why did this look different? Well, we hit a volume node. Thought it was a bigger node than that. We hit a volume node. And we have numbers for Valley Gap on 2 minutes. But this looked so different 5 seconds ago. Alright, the VWAP would move, right? Don't mind me, guys, I'm new to VWAP trading. Okay. We'll look at taking that the next day. About to hit this resistance level here. This is the only draw that we have. Got like an AMD manipulated here. We got this draw here. Got the AMD, then we had a rejection candle, then we had massive displacement. So if we go like this, could I enter a long on this candle closure to like the third one? Maybe this is just a better day. We had an AMD pre-taking draws. See if it goes higher to the 4. Could have targeted the 4. It's quite a nice trade. So I can look for AMDs apparently. Ideally I want to trade. What would that be my time? Yeah, it's 8. Ideally I want to trade until 9, so we'll just do 8 to 9. Now I'm looking for a rejection. Oh. We've fully broken past the high, but we've hit the VWAP on the 1 hour time frame.
You're still here writing
But we've created a new indication, so let's see. See if we reject. Oh, we got a rejection. We're failing that rejection.
Write scribes and replace outdated manuals with smart documentation.
Come into this OT. Did I? Yeah, I did.
Who's cutting this shit?
This song. Okay, the swing low here. Which we've come into OT for. Let me just move this stuff because it's in my way. We broke past that indication level. We've closed above here. I reckon a long would work. But we'll see. Stop loss below. Go below OT. All the way of failing that. The hell? Okay, stop loss below OT is working. That's crazy though, we shouldn't have. Yeah, okay. So we broke out of resistance. We had a rejection at 1 hour VWAP. Rebalanced and displaced out of. Oh. Since when did we. Oh, we did over here. I was supposed to be off at this time. OTE, but failed it. Interesting. Okay, I want to see how this works out in the next day. Trading between. So from here, we're going to trade. Quote. Now trading between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Testing AMD. Retaking draws to standard deviation 4. Continuations. And then we'll also test continuation VWAP ounce with inverse fair value gap at volume node. Okay, let's see if we get that. So what could I possibly need to mark up for that? The draws, the trend. I need to understand where the trend's going. Going bullish. Had like a nice ICC here, indication correction continuation. So this is on you. So support. Bullish at this point. At this 1 hour level. And this 1 hour. And this 1 hour. To be like a ICC as well, so we'd want to take longs at these if we were to get a reversal, but I haven't seen many reversals work out. 40 minutes, guys, we've been doing this for. Oh my god, I removed all of my indicators. what's it called? The other thing didn't really do anything for me, so I'm just gonna do this. Wait, no, that's not what I meant to do. Volume. Okay, yeah. And then we're just gonna take the width all the way down to that. And the POC, make it like yellow. And then the VWAP purple. Actually, no, I want this to be pink. Purple and then pink, like really bold, big colors. Okay. So we got these drawers marked out. Let's see what we do. We're immediately going lower. Okay, we're kind of chopping. Oh, hold on. Wrong time frame. We kind of had a... Not really, though. Trading within this range. Okay, what do we have? We have the VWAP bounce. Continuation with inverse fair value gap at a volume node. So this does have a volume node here. Okay, we've got the VWAP bounce. We've got some nice LR. Rejected off of a volume node, I guess. Tricky. It's not exactly at a volume node. Why does it look like it's changing? Like, am I actually tripping right now? We don't have any... Oh, we have this inverse. Is it too late for me to take my trade? Should I wait for a rebalance? Oof. Gosh, that would have played out. You needed me. Oh, this is where we wanted to frame buys. This is going to be a little bit different. Let's see. What is this? Don't get it twisted. Oh wait, this could have been like an AMD, with this being the manipulation leg. Like this. And then taking it to... And then we had that displacement out of it to something like this. And then where's the floors up here? Let's see. You gotta be freaking joking. Go on. Okay. This one might be it. Taking high time frame continuations. Seeing manipulation. So we got the AMD. We started that displacement there. Okay, so what was this? This was like an ICC point of interest for continuation. It's like just at 9. Maybe I can trade until like 9:30. To take in my, I just could have just set the order. POI continuation. We had an AMD manipulation leg. Standard deviation on manipulation leg. Targeting standard deviation 4. It's kind of a banger. Well, is this volume thing even doing anything for me? Like, I'm kind of just trading price action here. I'm just going to try trade the price action. That's kind of what I know how to do best, like ICT and price action. So this was AMD to standard deviation 4. Reversal of withdrawn liquidity at POI for ICC continuation. That's kind of nice. Alright, let's see if we can do the next day. That's bullish. POI for long. This is kind of a POI for long. This is just using ICC stuff. I'm bullish. Let's see what we get. We start downtrending. Is this AMD? I don't know. No, it doesn't look like it. We just want to look for longs. What the hell is this? No VWAP was hit in this process, except from the 1 minute, but I like looking at the 2 minute, I'm not gonna lie, for this price action. I guess, is this AMD right here? Manipulation, we start displacing lower. That would have lost though. Yeah, it wasn't a manipulation move that I wanted to take. Okay, this is a point of interest for longs. What the hell? Oh, got a bit of consolidation. That's what we want. We want to see it. Okay. Alright, would we classify that as a manipulation leg? I don't know. It's my point of interest for a long. I want to see better displacement. No, that's not a AMD. Okay, it looks good. It's like a 5-minute AMD. It's 10 stop loss. Okay, let's see this. That is an AMD right there, in my opinion. It's not at a point of interest for long. Oh, it is. Okay, that one didn't stop loss. Is this one gonna... Okay, wait, stop loss. Cool. So, I guess, what is the learning here? We didn't even get a 1-to-1. This was a 5-minute AMD. Not the ideal spot for one though.
Spoiler alert, doesn't sometimes you've got this, other times not so much. You're made to be seen. Belong to the passion you started with. Believe you can change.
Okay, let me hindsight it.
That's all you are. Fill your brain and heart to the brim. Learn to learn and unlearn. This is your page, Nickel Brain's story. So, make it up. Make it impact. Make it.
Yeah, kind of had like an AMD failure at the point of interest for longs. Nothing good. Kind of confidently feel like there was nothing good. Opened here, we just kind of chop. AMD manipulated, started going lower. Remember if we go from... It's a point of interest for longs though, not for shorts. No, it's not a good one. Okay, let's see what structure's done. Oh, I guess up here was kind of POI shorts. Oh, no, it's not. This down here is POI longs. And this is where the resistance is. I need to use my laptop stand because my back is so sore. I've been sitting at my desk all day. This is where we're currently supporting price. I just really like support and resistance levels on gold, guys. And I kind of got an order block here too. Okay. So it's definitely POI for longs. If we come below here, it's POI for shorts. Because we tapped into this order block, we shouldn't need to come below here, and that's an ICC setup. But up here on the breakout would be POI longs. Let's see. Okay. I'm just going to trend lower. Okay. Maybe we'll go into the point of interest for shorts. That looks like manipulation to me. But we're kind of manipulating both ends now. Alright, yeah, that looks like manipulation. Let's see what a long from here would look like. 2, print 11, number 4. Wouldn't particularly call it an AMD, but I would say that's manipulation. I'd say that's the delivery of it. But it's discretionary, and I don't have discretion with gold. Okay, so I took the wick as manipulation. But it was not. You got an hour long. I'm going to film a part 2. This is part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. Follow the journey. I'm not doing this to sell mentorships in the future. I want to craft my own strategy in Asia session. I feel like that would be so fire in the first hour of Asia. But that would be so fire. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll speak to you guys tomorrow.